I'm at the American Center, Colombo, Sri Lanka, international speaker. Welcome to India virtually. The title of his talk is English Language Learning Behavior of Students Attached to the American Spaces in Sri Lanka. Sri Nausad Abdul Jabbar, please.
Hi, good afternoon all. I am super excited to present my paper today. Am I audible? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm Nausar Jabbar, Deputy Outreach Coordinator at the US Embassy in Sri Lanka. My work involves managing the American corners in Sri Lanka. And thank you very much to Reddit Organizing Committee, IGCA, and Madras Library Association, Kalpakam Chekta, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present. The title of my research, as you can see on the screen, is English Language Learning Behavior of Students Attached to the American Spaces in Sri Lanka. Moving on to the next slide. So this is the background of the study. I don't want to go in detail, but in brief, American Spaces provide free access to information resources, technology, and a range of trainings and programs to advance objectives of empowerment. And there are 4 American spaces that are in operation in Sri Lanka at present. Those are American Center Colombo, American Corners in Kandy, Jaffna, and Mathura. The American spaces are run by the United States government, and it provides free education for communities in Sri Lanka. Moving on to the next slide, this is the problem statement. So there is no systematically designed studies conducted to assess the learning behavior of students of the American Spaces programs in Sri Lanka. And it was not clear what the exact language learning behavior of students. And there's a need for a better understanding of the American Spaces programs to ensure the English language programs benefit the student community efficiently and effectively. So this research was undertaken to better understand and evaluate the students' language learning behavior, especially during the virtual learning environment. Now come to the objectives. The main objective of this research is to investigate the learning behavior of the students of the English language programs attached to the American Spaces in Sri Lanka. And I have specified 3 more specific objectives. 1, to investigate the learning behavior of students of the English language programs of the American Spaces. Number 2, to analyze how out-of-class virtual learning enhances the language learning skills of the students. Number 3, to investigate how effective are the language learning resources available at the American Spaces to help students' learning behavior. So the literature review, available literatures in this field have been reviewed based on the consequence and various segments of students' behavior under the following concepts. 1, virtual language learning. 2, computer-based, aided learning, language learning. Number 3, language learning strategies. So this is my brief of the literature review, as you can see on the screen. The literature reviewed have identified a wide variety of learner requirements and how they vary different contexts. However, the literature reviews don't give me a clear picture of the exact language learning behavior of students attached to the American Spaces. Therefore, the literature works reviewed in this chapter enlightened me to formulate strategic research question to find answer to the research gap. The data collection tool, it is a self-administrated questionnaire. The nature of data, both quantitative and qualitative data has been used. Quantitative data collected from the students of the English language classes using a questionnaire that was analyzed using descriptive statistics in Microsoft Excel, and the qualitative data was analyzed using narrative text. The analysis used only primary data collected from the survey. The secondary data from the American Spaces administrative records were used only to design the study and plan the survey. The total population is 250 students who are currently following English language courses at the 4 American Spaces in Sri Lanka. The total population of 250 students were selected as the sample, and Google form were distributed among all the 250 students who were selected. So now comes to the data analysis. The first one is strategies the student adapt for language learning. So as you can see, the data illustrates the preference for group learning is at the top with the 53 preferences, while virtual learning, solo learning, and learning via social media are somewhat similar and at a significant rate. Other activities are very, very low. Students' opinions on virtual learning experience. This is an interesting data. The data shows that out of 167 respondents, the majority of 157 or 94% students of all categories are satisfied with the virtual learning, while only 10, nearly 6% of the respondents are not satisfied and prefer in-person classes over virtual learning. The type of out-of-class language learning activities the students perform, as the data illustrate, the most common activities that are done outside the class include speaking with friends, colleagues, and family members in English. However, the data also shows a total of 66 students, the most preferred combined category, that is TV programs, videos, email, social media, prefer electronic learning activities to enhance their skills in language learning, English language learning. Equipment and technology for language learning. The study reveals that a total of 87 students, that is include the other category, prefer the Wi-Fi or internet facilities, while the most preferred equipment is the laptop with the 67 students favoring it. Therefore, it can be concluded that majority prefer virtual learning technologies than the conventional learning methods. Resources for language learning. If you look at this finding, it is evident that a wide range of materials were used by the students, including books, magazines, software, online databases, and online course books, etc., for their language learning. eLibrary USA is a digital collection of information resources from the United States with newspapers, magazines, journals, books, dissertation, etc. And it is apparent in the finding that most respondents prefer using online course books and technological resources. Therefore, as per the data revelations, majority prefer virtual or online learning resources than the conventional learning methods. The barriers for students in learning English language programs at the American Spaces in Sri Lanka. The findings reveal that competitive entrance is the topmost barrier to get enrolled into the program. However, 53 students, respondents marked the other category, and most mentioned in that other category that there's no barrier for them following the course at the American Spaces, interestingly. So these are my summary of the findings. Respondents' preferences towards group learning and virtual learning are a significant predictor in evaluating the courses offered by the American Spaces and justifies the students' engagement behavior as a way to enhance their learning performance. Most students prefer electronic learning activities outside the classroom to enhance their skills in English language learning. The out-of-class activities students perform influence their learning behavior and are an important factor that influences the overall learning behavior of the students. The usage of available resources and technology for language learning plays an important role in defining the overall learning behavior of the students. Competitive interest is a barrier to get enrolled to the American Spaces program. So the conclusion is students of the American Spaces mostly prefer virtual learning methods and electronic learning activities. Laptops connected with Wi-Fi and the internet, online course books are the most utilized resources and technology available at the American Spaces to perform learning activities. Students prefer to have more online resources such as language learning software and eLibrary USA, which provides open access, making the scholarly contents available for you to, of course. Despite some limitations such as competitive entrance, The study provided evidence that American spaces are being able to support student needs in their learning process in a commendable manner. The study also asserted that to achieve language proficiency through classes, a well-established learning environment is required. The results also indicate that the American spaces in Sri Lanka have created an engaging link between themselves and the student communities they serve. The recommendations: educational providers may use the findings of the study to introduce dynamic pedagogy that are engaging, interactive, informing, and educative using latest technologies and resources rather than providing courses structured in a traditional method, especially when delivering classes via virtual environment. The teachers of the American Spaces English language program must help the weaker students to improve their performance by paying more attention to learner strategies that are productive. To the researchers, there are more avenues exist to be explored in language learning scope, such as the effectiveness of the technology in language learning and the approaches towards overcoming the barriers in language learning, etc., for future research. So these are my references of the cited articles. And now we have come to the end. That's all what I wanted to share with you. Thank you all for listening patiently. And I would like to especially thank Dr. Vadmana Senaviratne for helping me on guiding, reviewing, and the draft contents of my research multiple times. And once again, thank you very much to Reddit Organizing Committee Editorial and Madras Library Association Kalpakam chapter and IGCA for giving me this opportunity to present. So these are my contact details. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact. And I'm happy to take on any questions if you have. Thank you.
Thank you, Shri Nauzad Abdul Jabbar. Now it's open to the audience. Any questions, please? You can come to the dais and ask. Any questions on the other side, online? Okay, there are no questions. We'll move on to the next speaker. Thank you, Shri